I request Ms. Archana Samudra, Vice President, to present.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me? Yeah. We've been talking about hardcore healthcare, surgeries and everything. I'll be completely concentrating on digitizing or computerizing the entire healthcare scenario. I belong from a healthcare company which has developed many solutions for the healthcare providers, various healthcare providers on its flagship platform, Palash. All right. The global scenario in healthcare or in general, we can say, has undergone a renaissance after development of technology as such, and particularly after development of ICT. There has been a dramatic change in everything that we see. Now we can say, in a nutshell, I can say that everything is a click away. Everything is a click away. What IT is trying to do in healthcare is similar to all this. IT is trying to bring in whatever is required for a healthcare provider a click away. And with this, it's not only the records that are maintained, the patient records that are maintained, but it is everything. It is process management that comes in this, and making this process management very, very easy is what we aim at. It is very essential to ease this, because everybody today is short of time. Everybody wants maximum result in minimum time, and this is possible only through IT. Maintenance of patient records, we can say, for doctors, now what we are trying to do is, it should be available, it should be accessible, very easily accessible at any point of time. Any point of time, he should be able to go through the records and arrange for his treatment at any point of time. And this accessibility is made possible through various mobile devices and other gadgets like iPods or iPads, tablets, so which is now it's becoming very simple. All this is, you can say, at a point of time, it is a dream come true for all of us, but it is happening. It is happening not only in the private sector, but now the government is also becoming aware. There are, in fact, the government hospitals and the public health centers, the small places, they are all getting connected to IT in various manners. It is becoming very, very easy to access and reach the patients at a very fast pace. It is very essential because in country like India, where roads or facilities, transport facilities are not so good at rural areas, in such places it's very essential that the doctor can reach the patient at the earliest, and this can be made possible through such programs. E-Mamta, for example, which is run in Gujarat, is an example where we can say that it is very easy for the pregnant ladies and the newborn babies to get assistance through mobile phones and other technology, mobile-based technology. UNESCO too is running certain programs in various different countries where such devices are used in order to reach every required help to the patients. Apart from this, there are certain organizations that are working for patient care and who are running such programs for reaching out to the patients at a fast pace. Similarly, what we can achieve through all this is better health care, not only for the patients, it is for everyone. Reduced time, easy access to the records, Most importantly, the privacy, the legitimacy of the records is maintained properly through IT, through the technology. It is maintained in a proper manner, and the prescribing has become more easy. It has become flawless, which is very helpful because all the human errors are almost, you can say, all the human errors are almost eradicated in this entire program, in the entire process. I won't take much time. Palash has always been associated with healthcare and in a very proud manner. Very soon we too are launching an initiative which will be a sort of healthcare mall where every facility related to healthcare will be made available to patients and also doctors. Doctors will be able to give the required help to any patient from any point of time, from anywhere they are in the world, and at the same time the patients will be able to get doorstep help for everything and any of the healthcare requirement that they face. Let it be pharmacy, let it be immediate emergency help that requires to be taken, the patient to be taken to the hospital. Any sort of help will be rendered to the patient at just a phone call or an SMS or any way of communication that is required. So, stating all this, I can say that technology is playing a very important role nowadays in healthcare. It has become a major part of healthcare, and we all should be using it, making optimum use of it in order to take healthcare to its apex and best. We have to deliver healthcare not only in order to cure the sick, but in order to keep the sickness itself away. Thank you.